Hey EV drivers! Today we're talking about real problems that electric car owners face every day, and more importantly, how you can fix them yourself. From weird charging errors to battery drain and annoying brake noise, I've got 5 DIY repair tips to keep your EV running smoothly. Let's get into it. Charging port won't unlock. Let's start with one of the most frustrating issues, when your EV's charging port won't unlock. This can happen due to a software glitch, weather freezing the mechanism, or even power interruptions. Fix it yourself. 1. Unlock the vehicle using your app, not the fob. Some cars prioritize app commands. 2. If it's frozen, run the cabin heater remotely for 10 minutes. That often warms the port area enough to release. 3. Still stuck? Look for the manual release tab, usually located in the trunk or near the charge port. Check your manual or Google your model. 4. Never force it. That can damage the connector pins. Sudden drop in driving range. Problem number 2. Your EV suddenly shows way less driving range than usual, even though you didn't change your driving habits. This could be due to extreme weather, software glitches, or background systems draining power. DIY fix. Reset your EV's trip data and range estimator. Most EVs base range on recent driving style. Resetting it gives a more accurate reading. Check for software updates. Older firmware may misreport battery health. Unplug accessories and disable systems like cabin preconditioning if they're set to auto start. If the range drop is extreme and permanent, use apps like Leaf Spy, Scan My Tesla, or Car Scanner to check actual battery health. 12-volt battery dying. Here's a sneaky one. EVs still have a traditional 12-volt lead-acid battery, and they die more often than you'd think. If your car won't wake up or the touchscreen won't turn on, the 12-volt battery might be dead, not the high-voltage pack. DIY fix. Use a jump starter just like on a gas car. Connect to the 12-volt terminals, usually under the hood or front. Let it charge for a minute, then try starting the car. Replace the battery every 3 to 5 years to avoid sudden failure. To monitor it in the future, plug in a Bluetooth battery monitor like the Ansel BM300 or Noco Genius. Regan brakes squealing or grabbing. Problem 4. Squealing or grabbing brakes, especially in the morning or after it rains. Sound familiar? Since EVs use regenerative braking, your mechanical brakes don't get much use, which leads to rust buildup on the rotors. DIY fix. Once a week, drive at 40 miles per hour in a safe area and apply the brakes firmly a few times to scrape off surface rust. Avoid using regen only. Occasionally set it to low and use mechanical braking manually. If it continues, clean the calipers or use brake cleaner spray on the rotors. No disassembly required, just spray with care. Random touchscreen freezes or glitches. And finally, EVs are basically computers on wheels. So yes, screens and systems freeze sometimes. DIY fix. Hold down the power and scroll wheel buttons, varies by model, for 10 seconds to perform a soft reboot. If that fails, shut the car off, get out, lock it, and wait 10 minutes to force a sleep cycle. Check if your car has a pending software update and install it via Wi-Fi. Reduce app clutter. Too many third-party apps can slow the system down. So those are 5 real-world EV problems you're likely to face, and now you know how to fix them yourself, safely and quickly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more EV tips and repairs. Got a problem I didn't cover today? Drop it in the comments.